All right, folks, we're by the 2021 Jeep. It's a Cherokee. Customer had a complaint that his battery is going dead overnight. He diagnosed it himself and was able to figure out the problem, which was great because, you know, parasitic drains can be time consuming. His exterior door handle here is doing something funky. What he would do is he would walk outside, wouldn't have his key fob with him or anything, and all of a sudden he would see his vehicle, everything light up on the inside, the radio display, backlighting on the dash, and then all of a sudden it would go out, and then this process would repeat at random, you know, all throughout the day and throughout the night. He told me he went into his menu and turned off the passive entry. Problem solved. So I think between that and a little bit of Google, he was able to figure out what it needed. So it needs an exterior door handle. Got one here. There's the part number. Of course, your part number is going to be different unless you have a white Cherokee, because these are kind of neat. It's a lot like Honda. They come pre-painted, which is great. And the other thing that's supposed to be great, well, besides you got to buy a big expensive door handle, is it's supposed to be easy to change, according to service info. Appears to be correct. Yeah, according to service info, it's an easy job. No, I've never done one. It says you need a T25 and a pry driver. There's a plug in the end of the door. We pop it out. Bing, bang, boom, we're done. Now I could be wrong on all accounts. I'm just telling you what they say. I gotta get my glasses here. I get underneath this stinking plug. There we go. All right, got the plug out. It says there's a T25 in here, apparently. We're just going by feel. I think a guy with 3 kids would be better at this, but it's, I guess we better get a light. I found it. It says to back the screw out while pulling out on the door cap. Supposedly it's moving some kind of slide inside there, it says. Oh. Alright. So that pulls out your lock cylinder. What kind of mechanism is that? Oh, I think it's just a wedge. I think there's just a little wedge that goes in there. Yeah, it looks like a double wedge that gives her one of those. And then I think that this just pulls out. Oh, our pull-out game is strong today. Look at this. Oh, it's not. We're hanging up, boys. Well, let me just double check service info. Yeah, it says slide handle rearward and rotate out of the door. Hey, look at that. We just weren't rotating hard enough. And then unplug the wire from your door handle. That's something Pat probably never said to you. Let's get the new door handle. I was wondering why the book time on this was so low. Boom, plug it up. Has those little tabs there. I want to see, do they have a corresponding channel that they go in? They must. It does, okay. I don't think we can mess this up. Boom. 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 Let's see if we can't get back in the hole here. Yeah. Maybe I'm just not a morning guy. I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, there she is. She said to have a look. Come over here. Everybody's way. Let's see what happens here when we're turning this. Yep, it's just a little, there's 2 fingers, little 2-finger wedgie in there. Okay, we got that drawn back all the way. I don't want to lose my screw. And we lost it. And we're in. We're gonna have to have a peek again. There she is, all right. We'll drive the old wedge back in there. It's kind of a creative way to do it. Instead of tearing the door panel off to pull a clip off or unbolt the lock cylinder, as they often are, the back side of the door handle. Great, that's good. Almost finished. That'll make or break you at the car show right there. You show up, that's gone. Just go home. Let's see if we can find it here. Settings. Door locks. Oh, there we go. Passive entry. Turn that back on. Make sure it's radio. We'll shut it off. We'll grab the key. We'll make sure that it works. We should be good. Open the window down. No, it's locked right here. No. Shouldn't that open the door? Yeah. Let me roll the window up just to be on the safe side. Let's see if this works. Okay, doors are locked. I'm gonna set the key over here on my cart. Alright, so that's good. Let's grab the key. Yeah, there we go. All right, I guess he's just got to see if the lights stay off and all that. If it is, a few $100, got her fixed. Well, that's it, folks. Easy peasy. The old electric door handle routine, you know. I don't know. It's one of those things, you know. It's kind of a neat feature. I like it on my Toyota. I'm not gonna lie. I like to be able to get out and just touch my door handle. The door's locked. I walk up to it, it unlocks. And to have that feature, well, this is what you have. Am I opposed to digging the key out of my pocket? Not really. I'm just saying I like the feature and I would fix it if it was broke. It's just kind of bizarre thinking, you know, yeah, I gotta buy myself a couple $100 door handle. I gotta pull my door apart, whatever the case may be. Fortunately for this guy, like I say, he was able to see what the car was doing with his parasitic draw. So it worked out really well. So no diag time or anything into it. And that's that. Maybe it's a common problem. I'm sure he probably used, you know, some sort of AI, Google, ChatGPT, something, as people often will, but he was also observant and saw what was going on the inside. So that's good. Anyhow, why don't you guys go in that comment section, tell me what's going on the inside with you. While you're down there, look for us on Insta, the Facebook. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.